Harshita here and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you all are doing well and you all are safe at home. And yes, the lockdown has been extended and we all have to stay at home for a little longer than we expected, but it's fine because वो हमारी safety के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम लोग घर पे रहे and we be with our family and we don't become the source of transmission या we get some problem. So that is very much important. तो घर आप लोग बैठे हैं, मैं भी घर पे हूँ. So I thought of sharing some things which you must definitely try, which are under 500. Okay. Now I know some of these things will only be available once, of course, this lockdown phase goes off. So don't be disheartened. You can just make a list of things which you want to buy after the lockdown, and you can include some of these stuffs as well. Also, I'm going to give some recommendations as well of app. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, as I said, we are going to discuss things under 500 which according to me you must definitely try, and the first slot which we have are books. Okay, so if you have been following me on Instagram and if you know me personally, you know I love books. Okay, so मैं generally love stories पढ़ती थी and I have read all the Chetan Bhagat and Guru Joy and Ravinder Singh's books and I love them. But then I thought that I must explore some other side as well of reading. ताकि एज अ रीडर आप एक्सप्लोर कर सके अपने आप को और आपके इंटरेस्ट पता चलते हैं आपको. तो आई थॉट ऑफ रीडिंग सम बुक्स विच आर अबाउट लाइफ एंड विच जस्ट समथिंग अबाउट पॉजिटिविटी रादर. तो आई केम अक्रॉस दिस पर्सन called Mick Wicking and Akriti Rana. I'm sure you all have heard about her and you all have known her and you're following her. She recommends beautiful books. So one of the books which she recommended was Luca, okay, or Likey, whatever you want to pronounce. And I got that book, and it means Luca basically means happiness, okay, in Danish. And Denmark is one of the most happiest country in the world, okay. And that book is about how you can be happy in minimal things and you can find happiness in small tiny things. So I basically got that book from Amazon. I read it and currently it is with my aunt, but I want to recommend it to everybody जो कि reading अभी start कर रहे हैं. For them, I recommend Mick Wicking's book. If you want to read something very positive and very interesting, go for his books because his books are full of pictures. His books are very interesting, very well put together. आप एक भी पेज में से बोर नहीं होंगे और आपको ये यू कैन रीड दिस बुक ऑल ओवर अगेन एंड अगेन. आप दोबारा भी पढ़ सकते हैं ऐसे बुक्स को. So first is Luca, of course, and I'll also put the links of these books in the description box so you can buy them later on when, of course, the lockdown period goes off. But don't worry, मैं आपको इसके लिए एक solution भी दूंगी just after I complete the list of books. So first book is Luca. The second one is again by the same writer, which is Hegi or Hegigai, whatever you want to pronounce it. Now this book is basically, guys, about philosophy, child psychology. You want to just understand people, understand yourself, then you want to read that book. And that was the first book which was written by him, and he is the CEO of the Happiness Club, so Happiness Organization rather, of Denmark. So his books are amazing. Another recommendation is this book called Ikigai. Now this book is the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Again, it has most beautiful instances shared. अभी मैंने half ही पढ़ी है, as you can see here. So I'll just share one instance that इसमें लिखा है that we all love doing multitasking and we try to do this and that everything together so that we save time. But there are certain things which actually need our concentration and actually need us to do one task at a time, which is like very very basic eating food. Okay, when you're eating food, you have to just eat food, guys. I have also observed this, and when I read it here, I kind of it hit me and I was like, yes, it's true. When we are doing something else, when I am on a call and I'm eating my dinner, I don't understand what I've eaten I don't know the taste of the food. I don't know where it went, how much I ate. I ate more, I ate less. I don't know anything. Okay, so some things like very basic, which is for us, for ourselves at a very basic level. Okay, and it's good to do multitasking, but at the same time, when things require you to just stop everything and just focus on one thing, you must do that. So ऐसे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे instances इस book में हैं, and it talks about how Steve Jobs was influenced by the Japanese culture. So ये बहुत ही अच्छी book है, बहुत ही positive book है guys, and you must definitely try this one as well. Another book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, which is by Dr. Joseph Murphy. Now this book also guys I had and I have read it like 3/4, and currently it is with my best friend and she's reading it. So I keep on actually recommending books to everybody and I eat their head up, and my friends know it that I love books. So yeah, but this book also guys, Dr. Joseph Murphy has explained so many instances जहाँ पे लोगों ने सबसे बड़े struggles को overcome किया है just by positive thoughts and keep telling themselves that this will pass, okay, this is gonna go, this will be sorted. And guys, we are in a situation like this phase, this corona phase, the numbers are increasing, everything is hitting us hard, we know, but being positive, sending out positivity to the universe and telling ourselves that this will pass will help. So Dr. Joseph Murphy has explained so many instances of positivity, of being positive and letting out the positivity, and just having positive thoughts overall in that book. So that is definitely a must read. Now guys, if you do not have these books at home right now, because I'm sure कि आपने शायद ये books buy नहीं की होंगी या आपके पास नहीं होंगी, so you can download an app called AnyBooks. Now this is not sponsored. One of my colleagues, she loves reading and she recommended me that this app is there called AnyBooks. I'll just put a glimpse of how this app looks. I'll put it here. So guys, this app you can download certain books. There is Hikigai already available there, full book, and I have also downloaded it and I'm gonna read it. So there are different books available there. You can download. You can even download Google Books. वहाँ पे भी आपको बहुत सारी बुक्स मिलेंगी जो कि आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. You can read them for free. Some of them you might have to buy. So AnyBooks is generally a free app. So mostly जो books वहाँ पे हैं वो आपको complete book मिलेगा और आप डाउनलोड करके पढ़ सकते हैं. I personally guys feel that the essence of having a book in your hand is more beautiful. अगर बुक आपके हाथ में है तो that is a wonderful thing. But of course we are stuck at home and we want to stay positive. For that, if you want to go out for reading and you want to try any of these, download this app. And also guys, apart from these, some more books I'm going to list down in the description box, and if you find them on the app or if you happen to have them, just read it. Okay, so reading anything will actually help you during this phase. And yeah, I guess we should move to the next category because I'm gonna not stop talking about the books. So let's move to the next category, which is perfumes. Okay, so now these are all the perfumes which are under 500, which you must definitely try. Now the first one is this Water Girls perfume, which is like a body mist. Okay, जो कि आपको DMart, Big Bazaar कहीं पे भी मिल जाएगा. This one retails for 195 and I have been using it for the longest time, and I use this for my daily routine when I don't want to use something very fancy and I don't want to waste them. But yeah, I use this a lot. Okay, and this is like अगर आपको fruity smell पसंद है तो you can try this Secret Crush. But they also have different fragrances available, so you can definitely give this a try. It's a body mist and it is super affordable. The next one is this, which is Love Song, which is from Mini Good. Now Mini Good is a Korean brand. अगर आपने मेरी वीडियो देखी है वहाँ से तो you might know that I got this, and I had got it for around 350 or something. But this really smells very good. And again, if you love fruity smells, like a lot of fruity smell, then you're gonna love it. This is the size. It's a 30 ml bottle and yes, it smells amazing. तो मैंने इसका रिव्यू दिया है उस वीडियो में. If you haven't seen, I'll put it here and you can go and watch that as well. But guys, I thought this is the most wonderful smell I have ever smelled. Okay, if it makes sense, fragrance which I have ever smelled. But I came across this one, which is from Miniso, which is the strawberry champagne, which was recommended by the Quirky Mist. That Quirky Mist. This one is the most wonderful perfume whatever it is I have ever come across. Without even opening, I can feel the fragrance spreading, and this one is a 10 ml bottle. It is very easy and convenient to carry, guys, and it is for 200, and there was some offer going on, so it came for around 180. So this is very amazing smell. You must definitely try. जब Miniso खुलेगा तो आप लोग definitely ये try कीजिए, which is strawberry champagne. So yeah, these are the perfumes which are under 500, which you must try. And moving on to the next category, I have nail paints. Okay, so guys, I have a lot of nail paints, and अगर आप लोग मुझे Instagram पे follow कर रहे हैं तो you might have seen me decluttering and I got rid of many of them. I just have those Nykaa ones and Color Bar के जो थोड़े expensive है तो मैं फेंकना नहीं चाहती थी. But now I have thought that I will not invest a lot of money onto nail paints. Rather, I can just go to Miniso and get these which are of 90 each, and I'm in love with the white shade. I'm always wearing this white, and I just love it. The finish, and it is super, like it lasts very long. And then I have this transparent one, and I have another very beautiful shade which is the Pearl Peach, which is 14. So this shade I have here. So this is also beautiful, guys, and I love the quality of the nail paints and the fact that in 90 rupees you're getting something which can last long, and then you can use it conveniently as much as you want. So there's no point in investing like a 200-400 rupees in nail paints. Rather, you just go and buy these and use them, and they are very good. They don't leave any yellow mark on your nails also, so that's a very good thing. And I have been applying this white all over again and again. So yeah, this is my recommendation which you must definitely try under 500. And lastly, guys, because last time I did like a makeup video and some of you guys told me in the comments and even on Instagram that I must do more of skincare things, routine. So something which I just wanted to recommend is like a good face wash. So I use Himalayas Neem face wash. Now again, you will get this in any DMart, any store, any medical shop, anywhere. If you want to try something which is more of a natural thing, okay, it works very well for all the skin types, and it works very well for my skin, guys. So if Neem works for you, and if you haven't tried and you're in search of a face wash जो कि आप चाहते हैं कि affordable हो, you want to just try and see, इसमें एक छोटा पैक भी आता है. This one is for 155 and that one is for 95 or something. तो आप try कर सकते हो पहले if it works for your skin really good, because you won't believe me, I have tried all the brands of face washes and I have landed on this finally. Even in middle I was using this, and then I switched to Lakme's face wash, and they are really good. But guys, this one does not leave my skin very dry. Okay, my skin is dry apart from the T areas, and उसके लिए I don't want a face wash जो कि मतलब when I come out with the shower I feel like cracky or something. I don't want that. It just removes all the dust and it just works accurately and perfectly. मतलब over the top जाके dry भी नहीं करता है, और ऐसा भी नहीं कि आपके जो extra oils है या dust है उसको remove नहीं करता है, and it also prevents pimples. So yes, to the young girls out there who want to try a face wash, आप इससे try कर सकते हैं, आप इससे शुरुआत कर सकते हैं. And if this works for you, then well and good. And if you have been already using it, do let me know in the comment section what you think about it. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel as well, and I'll see you soon with another video. Also do let me know in the comment section अगर आपने इनमें से कुछ चीजों को try किया है या आप try करना चाहते हैं after this lockdown period goes off. So do let me know, and stay safe at home, guys. This is the need of the hour. You have to stay at home and stay motivated, stay positive, and yeah, stay connected. And I'll see you soon. Bye.